Hello, welcome to STEM School. In this lesson, we are going to teach dividing whole number to get a decimal. Now, let's take a look at our first example here. We have 46 divided by 25. So let's do the calculation. Okay, so first we got how many 25 in 46 here? So there's only one, right? So we got 125 and then we do the subtraction. Okay, so subtraction. So 46 minus 25, we have 21 here. Okay, 21 here. So if we don't have to get the final, we don't have to get a decimal, then the answer with mixed number could be 1 and what? 21 over 25, right? 21 over 25. So that could be one result. But today, as we are trying to get a decimal, so we are going to continue our calculation. That's why I've added 0 here. So now we are going to find out, okay, so we got decimal here, and we are going to find out how many 25 are there in 210. Okay, so which is 8. We will have 8 here, and 25 times 8 equals to 200. Okay, now we're gonna do the subtraction again, and we have 10, and adding 0 we got 100. And the next step is how many 25 are there in 100? There are 4. Okay, so equals to 100, and then when we do the subtraction, and we have 0 here. So now the end result is equals to 1.84. Okay, so that's what we have. So again, once we are trying to do to get the decimal from the division, we are just going to first, after that, we are going to write the decimal here. Okay, and then we are going to just adding 0 and continue our calculation, right? And once it's not 0 here, again we are going to add in 0 and continue our calculation until we want to finish, or until we have the 0 here. Okay, so otherwise, after the first calculation, we can just write it as mixed number. Okay, so that's one kind of result. And that's how we get the result in decimal. Let's take a look at another example. So this time we have 378 divided by 15. Okay, so what we are going to do is quite similar. So first, let's find out how many 15 are there in 37, right? So we've got 2. So 2 times 15 equals to 30. Okay, let's do the subtraction here, and we'll have 7, and we got 8 here, right? So again, how many 15 are there in 78? So we'll have 5, and that's 74, right? So we're gonna do a subtraction, and we end up with 3, right? So we end up with 3 here. So again, if we want to get the mixed number as the result, we'll have what? 25 and what? 3 over 15, right? And we can simplify this fraction, right? 3 over 15. To simplify, that's 1 over 5, right? So we can have as 25 and 1 over 5 as the result. Okay, so but now this time we are trying to get a decimal again. Okay, so that's why we add 0, and we got 30 now. So how many 15 are there in 30? So that's 2. So 15 times 2 equals 30. Okay, so when we do the subtraction now, and we have 0 here. So the end result we have here is 25.2. Okay, so always don't forget to add this. Okay. That's everything for today's lesson. Please click like if you like this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.